morning, everyone. I literally forgot to put a coffee pot in the coffee machine. I'm actually gonna cry. This is a tragedy. So, I'm going to be transforming myself into a bad bitch. Because right now I'm not giving bad bitch energy, but I want to give bad bitch energy. Because my hair, like, I'm literally so sick of my appearance right now. My hair is just, it's going too brown and I don't like it. And I don't want to let that happen. So, but I'm getting my hair done today, which is going to be really nice because I'm just so sick of this mess over here. Although sometimes I go through phases when I'm literally like, should I dye my hair brown or should I dye my hair red? Because you know, like how Kendall Jenner dyed her hair like that reddish brown, it looks really nice. Like I really wanted to do that, but then I'm like, hey, you're not Kendall Jenner, you're not going to look like that. But like, it's a really cool thought. So I'm going to be doing my hair, which I've got now, and then I'm going to be doing a face mask just to like make my skin glow. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows, my lips. Maybe we'll get some lip filler. I transformed my room and it looks really nice. Like I was literally so sick of my room. I'm going to insert a little clip and you can watch me grab a snack, sit back and enjoy me transforming my room into its beautiful state. Sick of my room because it's just the same thing and I'm staring at this my laundry and I'm just always staring there when I'm trying to fall asleep and it's just really annoying. Shake it up a little. Ooh. That was heavy. Oh my god, look how sad the wall looks. What a sad little life, Jane.
Dear Lord, what a sad little life, Jane.
Oh, so it's been white on the carpet, so now I'm gonna make it pink. Oh my god. Cat shit on... Okay, now I know why it was on the white side. Pumpkin. I don't need the pink side. Who needs the pink side? Not me. This is so cool! What was under my bed haul? Fairy powder, a nail, a leopard print scrunchie, gel throw away, do not eat, desiccant silica, I don't know what that means, and a sock. It's kind of dirty, so that's kind of gross. And there's a dead Christmas beetle. So this is my room right now. I've got like a little sunset lamp, which is really cute. So it looks like there's like not really a sunset in my room, but I'll show you when it's completely done. And I like this full length mirror. I think that now this is nice because it was kind of just in the middle of the wall and it was kind of just like if I wanted to take like a full length mirror selfie, it wasn't like a full length. Whereas now, I can take like a full length. And you know what I did? Did you see on my Instagram? If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you just follow me on Instagram. But on my Instagram, I took a photo of me like kneeling. You know how people like always kneel and they take like selfies in the mirror? So I tried to do that and I actually did it because I felt really cool. But it was only because I was wearing heels. So it was like easy because like, how do people like sit like I just look like I'm sitting on the toilet. So it looks kind of weird. But how do you sit before and we're done. Okay guys, I actually think I did really well. Like I'm not gonna lie. I think potentially I could be an interior designer. Like, let's see it with a sunset lamp on. Maybe it'll look really nice. Also now because it's nighttime. Shit, I can't see. Hold on. I need to turn the lamp on first. Oh my god. No words. A good pat on your back. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If anyone wants me to come do a room, send me a DM and I'll be on my way. Oh, and I'm going to attempt to do makeup. But right now, I'm going to do a face mask just to get my skin glowing, get it ready. Oh god. I started using Lalive. I don't know, Lele. I really like it so far. Because for me, like, when I buy, like, I could literally buy, like, Cetaphil's apparently insane for your skin. It apparently works really well. But, like, I'm really about, like, packaging. Like, if it looks good, then I'm like, yeah, that's the one for me. So, like, this packaging is just really pretty. So, I'm a packaging girl. I don't want to say I judge a book by its cover, but, like, think about it. Like, if you're about to rent a movie on, like, or, like, let's say you're looking on Catch-Up for a movie to watch, you're gonna pick the one with the best, like, what's it called? Like, what would you call it? Front cover. That's just how it is. You're not gonna, if something's front cover's bad, you're not gonna watch it. So everyone judges books by their covers. Everyone judges movies by their covers. The amount of times I said like in that video is really freaking me out. Face mask. It's gonna make my skin glow. Flowers gleam and glow. Let your... I know I'm gonna go on Idols next year, don't worry. Not Idols, I'm gonna go on America's Got Talent. It's called Sea Tox because it's a detox from the sea. I really want to dye my eyebrows, yeah, I'm not yellow, I want to dye them blonde. Everyone's been dyeing their eyebrows blonde and it looks really nice, so I'm considering doing that. Should I? I'm really considering it because it just looks so, I think it looks really cool. Looking glowing. Okay, so I have to wear this for like 15-20 minutes. That's fine. What are we gonna do? So yesterday I went and I got my laser done. She lasered my lip for like the first time ever, and it was really like, I was actually scared. But basically, because I was going to this other lady to do my laser, but then we found somewhere that's a lot cheaper and it's pain-free. Because I was doing IPL, which is really sore, like it's so sore. And then I switched to pain-free laser, which is like, it still tickles, like it tickles. So like yesterday, she was doing my underarms, and like I literally was screaming like in pain. I was literally like kicking her. Well, I wasn't kicking her. But I did like push her hand away at one stage. I was like, no more. I literally couldn't do it. I was literally like dying. You don't understand. Like I was in so much pain because it was so ticklish. Like we had to take intervals in order for me to cope. But I feel so bad for this lady because she literally because think about it, when you like get your laser done, you have to like obviously be naked. Well, like depends what you're doing. But for me, I have to like literally be naked. And then I was like, I literally probably looked like a little rat while she was like lasering me. So this poor woman had to see my little naked ratty body. Anyways, then what else? I can't wait to have blonde hair again. You don't understand. I'm so sick of this. I'll wait to just be blonde and get my personality back. Anyways, okay, bye. I'm so happy I'm finally done. Only 3 hours later. I'm so happy. It's so nice and so blonde. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. I really like it. And I'm feeling like myself again. Feeling like I've got my personality back. So it's all good vibes in the hood. Vibes are here. Anyways, so while I was like, I don't like, this is something that just doesn't get spoken about. But does anyone else feel really awkward when you like lying, when you're getting your hair washed? Like when you close your eyes, do you feel awkward to close your eyes? Because I feel really awkward to close my eyes. I don't know why I feel so embarrassed to do it, but I do. It's tragic. Now I'm gonna laminate my eyebrows. I'm super hyped. Hopefully they look good. And then we're gonna move on to some makeup. Really loving this like little thing. Like I feel like a karate sensei. Or like, I don't even know, but I feel very cool. I won't lie. Feeling like I could take on the world. Let's do this. I should have Googled this, but you know what? Whatever. How's it going so far? It's just this one little hair, just one. Just move, you stupid little hair. Listen to mommy. Needs more gel. Ooh, it's the time of your life. Hold on and make it just right. I don't know the words, but it's fine. I just look stupid. Something tragic happened yesterday. I'll tell you what. So basically, our dogs are taking new like food. Or I don't know what they're doing. They're eating like dog mints, but it's revolting. Because yesterday, in the driveway, I think it was probably Ruby. Ruby took a crap right behind the tires of the car. Like literally right behind. And my mom thought she was dodging it, but she literally drove right behind it. And now there's just dog shit smeared all over the driveway and it stinks. It's so gross. And then yesterday, me and my mom watching TV and Ruby kept farting, but like, it was so gross. It literally smelled like my eyes were burning. Like my eyes literally went red. And then I swear to God, my nose hairs fell off because of the smell. It was horrendous. Like it was so freaking gross. It was actually disgusting. Dogs need to control their gas. If I can control my gas, they should control theirs. Okay, what do we think? I think it's done. I think it worked. I don't know. Maybe it didn't, but I feel like it did. They look a bit fluffier, so I think that's a good sign. Now it's time to do some makeup. And guys, I'm really shocking at makeup. Like I think I've done it, like attempted it once in my life, and I came downstairs and everyone was like, oof. Like it literally looked like I got attacked by a horror movie. First we're gonna put on like some concealer and stuff because I've got a few spots here, so we're just gonna try hide those a bit. I need to watch a makeup tutorial. Maybe that'll help, but like I'm kind of lazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Is that right? Does that look right? I think it's right. Me and my mom, well actually I've been watching The Office, but I only got to like season 2, but I'm literally obsessed with it. Me and my mom on Saturday, it's actually disgusting, or it might have been Sunday, we watched 31 episodes in one day. 31 episodes of The Office. You know how many, let's look at this. 31 episodes times, let's say each one's about 22 minutes, times 22 equals 682, divided by 60, that's it, 11.36 hours. On The Office. How does that even happen? It's totally worth it. But like, actually, you know what? When I was in lockdown, I watched the Vampire Diaries. I literally binged that stuff so much. Like, I don't think I left my room. Like, but it was like really bad. Like, I got really obsessed with it. Like, so obsessed with it that the one time, it was like during lockdown when like a lot of the rules were like lifted and stuff. And a few of us went to my friend's house and whatever. And like, obviously I hadn't drank in a while. And so after a few drinks, I was not okay. And I literally like, I literally remember nothing, but I was told that I literally like went up to my friend and her sister and was like, we're gonna die, everyone's gonna die, Klaus is coming, like everybody's gonna die. That's how like obsessed I was with it. So that's really concerning. I don't know if this is bronzer. Does this look like bronzer? But Kendall Jenner in her like Vogue video, She said you can never have too much bronzer, and she just keeps adding bronzer. I'll just keep doing that. I really want to get into makeup. Like, I think it could be really cool. I feel like it's such a flex. Like, if you can do makeup, it's like, You know what I was thinking about while I was doing my, oh, that's ugly. While I was doing my, while I was getting my hair washed, is do you remember those bottles like that you had like, I remember like having them in like at sport. It was like a bottle and then it would spray. So like you could like spray if you were like sweaty and then it would like, it was really nice. I really miss those things. They were really cool. It's making me look like I have a jawline. Why don't we just make me look like I have pink eye? Why not? You know, it'd be fun. You. And I'll put on a cute outfit. You're gonna see I'm literally gonna look like a bad bitch. I'm gonna generate so much bad bitch energy. It's a crime. A little on the nose, make me look a little sparkly. Okay guys, I think I'm actually not doing too badly. Like, I think I'm snapping. Go off, go raw. What's next? Mascara, eyeliner. Do I put on eyeliner? I don't know. So many decisions. Blush. Okay, so for blush, we're gonna use some lipstick because I like how it's creamy. Make me look like I've got a burnt nose. So I look sun-kissed. I'm gonna look sun-kissed. Bird of the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him... Okay, how does this... Okay, guys, this is bad. This looks really bad. Why didn't you tell me? I thought I was doing well. Can I tell you how upset I am about this? So basically, Justin Bieber's coming to South Africa, and I was never cool enough to go watch one of his Believer concerts when I was little. And now I'm at school. I'm literally at school, but it's weird because he's like performing on like, what is he performing on, like the 1st or like the 3rd, and I go on holiday on like the 4th. How unlucky is that? I just wanted to see Hailey in the stands and I could be like, Hailey! And then she could be like, oh my god, yeah, try my road. And then I'll be like, okay, because I want to be glazed like a donut. Do you guys like donuts? I don't know how I feel about donuts, but I do like, okay, here, waffles, flapjacks, pancakes. Waffles for me. Sorry. Like, pancakes are too like thin. Flapjacks are like too thick. Waffles are just perfect. They're just like, oh my god. I look like Mindy Lou, or what is her name? Cindy Lou. I look like Cindy Lou. Okay, now it's time to pick an outfit. We're gonna make ourselves look like a baddie, so prepare yourself. Okay, honestly, I don't know who she thinks she is, but are you ready? Actually, guys, I think I snapped on the makeup. Did I? No, don't answer. I don't think I did too badly. I think sort of. I think I may have. Not actually, yes, I did. Ultimate transformation, room, brows, eyes, hair. Oh my god, that's what I forgot to do. Lips. I'm gonna give myself lip filler. Okay, I'm not actually gonna give myself lip filler. I'm just gonna overline my lips a lot just so it looks like I've got lip filler. Should I get lip filler? I actually think it looks really cool. Like, I back people that get it. I don't know why there's such a like a, well, not a misconception, but I don't know why there's such a like a stigma against lip filler. Like, you do you. Get it if you want, you know? Okay, I'm not doing lip filler anymore, but I'm still going to caption the videos if I did get lip filler, because then everyone's going to think I got lip filler. I look like a clown. Sorry I gotta see this, but this is the real me. I'm going to go to my mom and see what she says. She's sleeping. How could she sleep on this? Who could sleep on this? Not me, because I look like a little bad bitch. So like I'm going to hold it against her or anything? Yeah, I will. Well, anyways, I'm going to go take all of this off right now. Actually, no, maybe I'll make a TikTok, then I'll go take it all off. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you have the best week ever. Bye!